Letter Word Sound Fluency is an assessment given to kindergartners during the fall, winter, and spring benchmark seasons. This assessment will assess students on their letter sound and rapid naming. Students will say the sound visually represented on the page, and as the assessment progresses, they will also be saying syllables and words. This is a 1-minute timed test. Students will receive practice items and the assessment in front of them on paper, and the person doing the assessment will be recording on a digital record form. They will be marking what letters the students has said the sound incorrectly for and the last sound attempted. Because this is a standardized assessment, the directions and practice will be read word for word. Students will get a chance to practice the flow of the assessment, as it is a little bit different. They will be saying the letters, sounds going down. And as this assessment progresses, they will also be getting to letters, sounds, syllables, and words. So they'll get a chance to practice that as well. So here they would say b, at. Then, as they take the assessment, they will be given a score showing the number correct, the errors, and their accuracy rate. They will get it correct if they say the correct letter sound, blend, and word, and they are not penalized if they self-correct within 3 seconds, have a regional dialect, or articulation problems. They are also not penalized for using schwa sounds. It is considered an error if they say the letter name rather than the letter sound. Again, they can be given that feedback one time, saying, tell me the letter sound. If a sound or sounds are omitted, if other sounds or words are substituted, if they self-correct after 3 seconds, or if they do not respond within 3 seconds. Towards the end of the assessment, when it gets to letter, sound, syllables, and words, if the student skips right to reading the word, they will get the top 2 portions incorrect. If they say d, dog, then they would only get the og portion incorrect. So during the test, they will have 3 seconds to respond. After that, the person doing the assessment will say, try the next one. They will get reminded one time, tell me the sound the letter makes if they're saying the letter names. On the syllable and word portion, if they're sub-vocalizing and trying, they will get 10 seconds. After that, they will then be reminded to try the next one. If a student skips an entire row, the person giving the assessment can point to the first letter in the skipped row and remind them this one is next. If a student incorrectly produces 10 sounds in a consecutive order without self-correcting, the test will be discontinued. If a student self-corrects an incorrectly made sound within 3 seconds, they get that correct, and they receive 1 point for each sound they make. This is letter word sound fluency.